guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the limitless ring and sailor piece and how to get it fast. So let's get straight into the video. If you guys want to find out how to get the limitless ring, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So once you guys spawn on whatever island you spawn from, you want to make your way over to the teleport section. Once you're at the teleport, you want to make your way over to Shibuya Station. Once you actually spawn in Shibuya Station, just take the exact route I take. You want to just go straight until you find Gojo, and he will be right, just straight ahead. And he hasn't actually spawned yet, but once he spawns, he will have a chance of dropping the limitless ring. I don't remember the exact spawn rate. It does say it on the top right once it actually spawns. And you can also, I believe, get it from defeating Yuji as well. So these two bosses, you guys have a chance of getting it. Just farm them back to back. And yeah, it does respawn every 5 minutes once you defeat a boss, so just make sure you keep that in mind. So yeah, that should be pretty much it. That is how to get the limitless ring fast and sailor piece. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.